Hi, welcome to Math 152, Statistical Methods. This is a quick navigation video to help you find all of the things you need as we start our course this week. You'll open your course to the announcements page, so any new announcements will be here. I also tend to send those straight through email as well so that you'll get them in both places. The next thing you want to do is click on Start Here. Here's some information about me, my contact information, a little bit about my history. The syllabus will be located next. You'll want to read through that and take a look at your dates. All the assignment dates should be there as well. The course entry assignment is really important. Make sure to keep track of this due date. It's fairly early in the semester, so you want to make sure you take care of that as soon as possible. That's how our college determines attendance, especially in this online and hybrid world. So we need those course entry assignments due as quickly as possible. Once you finish those three things, you will want to go to coursework. So you come over here to the left, here's coursework. We have gone to great lengths in our math department to make this course free outside of regular tuition. So the text is all within Blackboard, as well as all of the assignments, and there's even options for calculators here. So you shouldn't have to pay for anything out of pocket. When you go to week one, you'll see for each one of the weeks that we have for this semester, you'll have readings, videos, assignments, and a lab. So you'll find that for each one of these, you can click right on readings, and here's all the different sections. It looks like there are a lot, but they're not really all that long. Each one's fairly short. So there we go. That's our coursework. See if I can get back now. Oh, yeah, that pops up in a separate window, so I can X that right out. The other thing that you might want to look at the very beginning of class is this assignment checklist. We have a 7.5-week course this semester, which is fairly short. So what I've done to hopefully make things a little bit easier for you is created this assignment checklist. Once Word comes up. And this has everything, every single assignment for the semester and what day it is due. So that should be a good framework to keep you on the right path. If you go back to coursework, if you're looking for homeworks, so in that week one, your homework will be under week one assignments. And if you click right on the assessment, it will take you to another website where you can start your assessment. So hopefully that walkthrough is enough to get you started. Feel free, if you have any questions at all, to send me an email or give me a call. I'll be happy to help. Thanks.